News again. It looks like today we have, it's just a good newspaper, which is not bad. We are accused, especially in media, of always pushing bad news. But anyway, low oil prices and agriculture boost economy. So according to some statistics that have been released, apparently the economy has grown.
It has. It has from 5.3% to 5.6%. And some of those sectors have been highlighted out. There is the agriculture. And one story that you particularly want to isolate and bring out, the informal sector. This is a sector that churned out most of the new employment opportunities. That is why right now, even the debate about the review of the 844 curriculum, a lot of emphasis has been placed on paper-based initiatives. But it's now coming out to light that the informal sector actually is what holds the key to Kenya Realism Vision 2030. So a lot of investment and a lot of policy issues should be pegged on the
informal sector.
Yeah, certainly.
And according to this article, 840,000 new employment opportunities. We do know that the Jubilee government had promised to churn out at least 1 million per annum, but they've not hit that target. However, 840,000 is encouraging and hoping that, that trend goes on an upward.
Continues, right.
Yes. All right.